channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you called tabletop curling. You only need a few items, so make sure you guys stay tuned. For this activity, you're only going to need a few household items. You're going to need a cup, some blue tape, a tape roll, and a ping pong ball or a ball that will roll. Those are the only items you'll need, as well as a table somewhere flat that you can slide and attach the cup to. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your ping pong ball or bouncy ball and you're going to put it inside of the tape roll. Keep it flat on the floor. And what you need to do is you're going to have to roll your tape to the other side and make it inside of the cup. That seems pretty simple, but it's actually going to be very difficult because you got to align the ball to roll with the tape and drop off the ball. All right, so Jordan's going to go ahead and slide his tape roll and his ping pong ball, and hopefully it lands right over my cup and drop the ball in. If he does, he's going to get 5 points for his team. Now he has to really think about using a strategy that's going to help him get that ball into this cup. But get started, Jordan. Okay, no points awarded. I'm going to get my tape roll. Do the same thing, nice and easy. Not enough straight. Jordan's going to go. Jordan made it in. He gets 5 points for his team. So it's going to be my turn. A little bit harder this time. Not quite. Well, if I make it, let me try this tape one. Tape roll. Well, try to put this angle here. Not quite. Very close, but not quite.
No, you made it.
Oh, I did make it. Great. So I get 5 points for my team. Jordan has 5 points. This is called tabletop curling. I hope you enjoy this game. Until next time.